Get ready to witness history in the making as we unveil the monumental Komatsu 200-ton class excavator right here in the UAE. A machine that defines innovation and a moment that reflects progress. The Komatsu PC2000 excavator, a colossal beast of steel and power. It is more than just a machine. It is a solution for a wide range of applications. It's a true symbol of power, precision, and performance. The benchmark of durability and reliability, the Komatsu PC2000, built to handle the most challenging environments. With a remarkable bucket capacity and operating weight, it conquers challenges with finesse, setting new standards for heavy equipment performance. Among the Galadari team, time is very much of the essence, and this assembly project wasn't an exception. In 7 days of non-stop relentless dedication, every moment, every effort, and every heartbeat was put into the assembly process and into getting the Komatsu PC2000 excavator ready and in action.